Now, changing your car's oil is an essential maintenance task to keep your engine running smoothly and, of course, at optimal performance. We're going to walk you through the basic steps of an oil change. And Tyler with UNOH is with me. Tyler, what are we going to need to change your oil?
Well, Kenny, you're not going to need any specialty tools for this job. You're going to need your standard issue ratchet with whatever size socket your oil drain plug is. You're also going to need oil. Now, in this case, our car takes 7 quarts. Oil stabilizer, if you please, an oil filter wrench, an oil filter, a funnel, a rag to wipe up any spills, an oil drain pan, gloves, and safety glasses. The first step in any oil change is lifting your vehicle. Since we're in the UNOH Motorsports Team shop, we're going to use a lift. At home, you'd need to chalk your rear tires and reference your owner's manual for your jack points.
Now, to get started, locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the engine. Use your wrench to loosen and remove it. Be sure to have the oil drain pan underneath to catch the old oil. Once all the oil is drained out, replace the drain plug. Make sure not to over tighten it. And then, of course, move your oil pan under your oil filter. Now it's time to replace the oil filter. Some filters are a contained unit that have the filter inside of a prepackaged housing. Others will have a permanent housing that require the filter media to be replaced. If your filter is the prepackaged housing type, simply unscrew the old filter. Here's a trick. Add a little bit of motor oil to the gasket of the new filter to create a good seal. Using a funnel, add the correct amount and type of new engine oil as specified in your car's manual. Now, check the oil level using the dipstick and adjust if necessary. Some cars will not have a dipstick. These cars will have a sensor that can be read using your car's infotainment system or dash. Well, there you have it. You just wrapped up changing your oil. Pretty easy, huh? But before you do that, be sure to check your what?
Owner's manual.
Attaboy.